Ever notice how much time gets wasted in a shop on stuff that isn't an actual repair? I'm talking about chasing down rags, dealing with half-dry wipes, scrubbing the same grease spot 3 different times, all while the clock is running and the job isn't moving forward. That's where Tub of Towels heavy-duty degreasing wipes come in. These aren't your average good enough wipes. These are built for the kind of mess that shows up in a real shop. Engine sludge, axle grease, undercoating, sealants, even things like paint and epoxy. The formula is concentrated specifically for heavy grime, and it cuts through it fast. One side has that scrubbing feel for breaking loose junk that's been baked on for 100,000 miles. Flip it over and you've got a smoother side that finishes it off without leaving a mess behind. It's basically a scrub pad and finish towel in one shot. Think about that in a real world use. You're doing a valve cover job. Everything is covered in oil film. Dirt is packed into the corners, and you've got surfaces that need to be cleaned before reassembly. Instead of grabbing 3 different cleaning products, you could pull one wipe, knock out the heavy stuff, and finish it without leaving the bay. That's efficiency, that's money, and that's uninterrupted workflow. From a shop owner's perspective, it's even bigger than that. Time savings is one thing, but consistency, that's another. The size matters too. These are oversized wipes, 10 by 12 inches. So you're not burning through 5 of them just to clean one component. One wipe can handle the full task, which means better cost control over time and better controlled cleaning. And let's talk about something that doesn't get enough attention: shop perception. Customers might not see the teardown, but they will see your shop, your tools, and sometimes even the parts you're working on. A clean environment builds trust, period. If a tech is using products that actually remove grime instead of just smearing it around, that shows up in the final result. Even the tub design plays into that. The vapor lock lid keeps every wipe fully saturated, start to finish. No reaching in and grabbing a dried out disappointment halfway through the day. Plus, instead of that harsh chemical smell, you get a nice citrus scent. Subtle, but it makes the difference, especially in a closed shop environment. Bottom line, this isn't about cleaning for the sake of cleaning. It's about working smarter. Less time scrubbing, fewer products cluttering up the bay, a more consistent result, and a shop that looks like it knows what it's doing. Because at the end of the day, the best technicians aren't just good at fixing cars. They're efficient, organized, and locked in. And sometimes using the right wipe gets you there.